Hey to all the law students and law aspirants. In this video, we are going to learn about things that law colleges in India won't teach you, but the practice in real will definitely teach you. And I genuinely being in a practice, I realized these are the certain drawbacks of all the law colleges that do not teach you, which is very mandatory, which should be there from the day one in the law colleges. First of all, the first thing is do not wait for the day that you will get enrolled and start the practice. I mean, no, you have to start your practice since practice as an internship. I'm not telling you being a student you cannot even practice. So, आप जिस दिन से you are joining the law college, the moment you realize that after passing of the 6 months or passing of the at least 8 months to 1 year in your law college, you should definitely join a law firm there, join into some good senior and learn, explore when you are in the college, save your time, start exploring since your day one in law school. Use the technology smartly, guys. Come on, you have the best source, that is AI. Use it smartly. I mean, use the ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini AI, and all the AI tools. Utilize it. I'm telling you this in your research work. So, the most important thing when you are a law student, when you're into your college, explore both the sides. Yes, explore both the sides when you are a student, corporate and the litigation. You will get an opportunity to work as an intern, both the sides, because corporate carries skills that are different to that of the litigation, because the corporate experience they'll ask for the drafting, negotiating, reviewing of the document and research skills, whereas in the litigation you will require the skills are research skills, drafting skills and the proofreading, communication skills, and the most important, the ability to stand before the bench and argue the matter. And you will learn these skills only when you do internships. Do not wait कि हम आज enrollment कर लेंगे, once we get out of the college then from the next day you will learn. आपको कोई नहीं सिखाते यहाँ पे. You have to just jump into the river and learn how deep the litigation is, how deep the corporate is. कोई आपको सिखाने वाले नहीं है यहाँ पे. इसीलिए अगर आपको कुछ इसके अंदर स्पेशली अचीव करना है तो आपको खुद से सीखना पड़ेगा without wasting any time. There are n number of smart sources for all the students to learn and excel. These are the certain sources that I feel which are very much important, will be useful for you as well. Read the bare acts, understand them thoroughly, and do internships under a good senior where you will get an opportunity to draft the documents, appear